Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored.
Hey everybody, Kelb here, back for another tech video. Today we're going to be disassembling and cleaning the Xbox One. We're also going to be doing a quick test of the DetaVac later in this video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. To disassemble the Xbox One, you're going to need to take off the grate near the sync button for your controllers. Once doing this, you're going to need to take out a bit of a wedge that holds the console together and then split it apart with a screwdriver. Once you do this, the top and front of the console will be free. Once these parts are free, you gotta be careful not to tear the little ribbon cable for the front panel. You can see that this part is very dusty. Once you have this off, you're gonna release all 8 of the clips holding the front panel on so we can clean it, and then we're gonna use a Torx head screwdriver to unscrew everything. You're also gonna need to remove the Wi-Fi adapter to get to the screw underneath it. Alright, now that the top of the case is off, you can see that the Xbox is completely free from the housing, so it's time to clean. Alright, we got the DetaVac here. There's also in a way attached to this, haven't really used it, but yeah, just gonna go ham. Not bad. As you can see, it's not exactly perfect. Didn't get all the dust that was on the blades. There's still stuff stuck to it, but anything that was any little bit loose, it got. So, I'm impressed. Alright, now that we got everything clean, it's time to reassemble everything. First things first, we're going to attach the Wi-Fi adapter back to the top of the case, but don't plug it in, we need to get to the screw underneath of it still. Then we're going to be attaching the clips that holds the wire on and putting the screws back in. Now it's time to attach the Wi-Fi adapter. Be sure to plug this cable back into the front panel or your Wi-Fi will not work. Next up is the speaker that makes the ding sound. Be sure to plug this one in too. And now for the rest of the case, which we're going to start with the front panel. This makes it easier to connect that little ribbon cable. It also makes it easier to get the top back on. Speaking of which, the top is the next part we're going to put on. And finally, we're going to put this little wedge back in and stick the grate back on the side. Alright, I'm now going to quickly test this just by basically putting the cords from my Xbox into it, turning it on, seeing what happens. Oh, that works. Seems like everything's working pretty good. Sync button still works. Eject button working. Alright. I think this thing's good to go. And I think that's all we have for the video today. Hopefully this video was somehow informative and I hope it helps you out. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. We're almost getting to that 500 milestone. Anyways, I'm Kelby Shobra. Thank you all for the support and I'll catch you all in the next video.